Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use the most asked command, the VLOOKUP. This command is the most used command in Excel and yet still the one where everyone deals with difficulties while using it. VLOOKUP is used to bring a value or information next to a cell easily from another column, sheet or Excel file. So let's get started to learn it. Here we have a data set. It contains the information of a part number, the related information of whether it is an assembly or detail, the tool status, and the tool codes. Here we have another example of an Excel file, and we have the part numbers here, but we don't have the information of the tool codes. So what we want to do here is to bring the tool code of this part number. I'm going to write VLOOKUP. So the first thing it asks us is the lookup value. This has to be the value that I want to look up in the data set. What I wanted to do was bring the tool code of the part number, so I have to choose the part number. The second one it asked me is the table array. So for this one, I have to go to my other Excel file, and here I have to choose this range of data. The first column that I choose for this range has to be the one where I can match the part numbers. If this part number information was in column B, the first column I had to choose was column B. But now the information of the part number is contained in column A, therefore I have to choose column A. The information I want to bring next to the part number is the tool code, so I have to choose at least until the column where I have my tool codes. So this one asks for the column index number. Let's put this here. As you can see, my information of tool code is in the 1, 2, 3, 4th column. Therefore, my column index number is 4. And the last one it asks me is, do I want an approximate match or do I want an exact match? For this case, I want to have the exact match. So therefore, I double click on false, or you can write 0. Now, what this command has done is it brought to me from another Excel file the tool code of this part number. If I double click, or you can drag this down and double click, you can see the tool codes of every part number. So I want to show you another way which you may find a little easier. Again, I'm writing VLOOKUP and I'm going to press this FX insert function. So now I have my command box open, and basically you do the same thing, but now you have a better visual and it might be a little easier for you to use in the beginning. So it asks for lookup value. So I'm going to choose this part again, and you can see what you have chosen. And now it asks for the table array, so I'm going to switch to my other Excel, and again I'm going to choose this array. My column index number was 4. And my range lookup was exact match. So here you can see that you will have the same result. Let's say that the tool code was not in the last column, but was in somewhere in between. So how you can use the VLOOKUP. Let's delete this. Again, VLOOKUP, my lookup array was the part number. You can choose until the 3rd column, but let's say that you choose the entire data set, but you know that your information this time is in the 1, 2, 3rd column. Let's choose the entire data set, but now our column index number is not 4 because in the 4th column we have the tool status, but now it's in 3, so I have to write 3. And again, I want an exact match. And here we have the same result. this was rather a short tutorial, but I hope that you understood how to use VLOOKUP. If you want to see other tutorials, please write down in the comment box below. Thank you for listening.